So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing extremely well, and this is your very own mask coder this side again. And today I'm here to bring out the topic of nested loops for you. So in the previous two videos we have discussed about the for loop and the while loop, and now it's time to delve deeper into the loops. Okay. So nested loops stand for like loop inside loop, loop inside loop. Okay. So what do I mean by that is, so suppose I write a code using for loop that for int I going from 0 I less than 10 I plus plus, and I say for int j, this is int, sorry, here. So for int j equals to 0, j going up till 10, j plus plus, I say cout j and leave a space after it, and I say after this for loop ends cout I and leave a space after it, and leave a endl, that is line. Okay. So what will happen if I run this code? Okay. So the basic idea of every code is, if you want to understand any code how it is working or not, try to dry run it. Try to dry run it. What do we mean by dry run? Implementing the code yourself, like actually visualizing what is happening on the backend with the help of variables, right? So it is said int I equals to 0. So I is starting from 0. Now int I equal to 0, I is equal to 0, the j will go from 0 up till 9. J will go up till 9, because at 10 it will break off. So j is firstly 0, right? J is 0. It says cout j. So let me print my output here. So it says cout j, so I print 0. And after that space, okay. Now after this, j will be updated to j plus plus, that is j plus plus is j equals to 1. J will get updated to 1. Cout j, I printed 1. Again a space. Similarly, cout j, now j becomes 2. So cout j 2. After that j becomes 3. Cout j 3. After that j becomes 4. Cout j 4. J becomes 5. Cout j 5. J becomes 6. 6. 7. 7 comes here. 8. 8 comes here. 9. As soon as it becomes 9, I see cout j, I printed 9, then it becomes 10, and as soon as it becomes 10, this loop terminates, and I have to print out I. So I is 0, so I print 0 and then endl. So my first line of code was this, first line of output was this, now second line. Now it is I equals to 1, and again this loop will run again. So j equals to 0, and we will print the same output: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and after that it will print I, which is currently 1. So I will be getting to 1, and we will print the another line of code. This will happen up till I is equals to 9, and for I equals to 10, this loop will also break up. So this will continue up till 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then it will I is also 9. For the 10th iteration, when I becomes 10, the loop breaks off and it comes here. Okay. So this is something known as nested loop, that is loop inside loop. We are using this loop as our outer loop. This loop is known as outer loop, and this loop is known as inner loop. This loop is known as inner loop. See, you might be saying that why are we discussing so many things, right? Why are we discussing so many things? See, this is the basics. These are the basics. You have to know what is the terminology. What do I call this loop? What is this while loop? What is this nested loop, etc., etc. Okay. After some time, after 2 to 3 videos, we will start solving some interesting questions, and you will observe what is the real crisp of DSA, right? Okay. So as you can see, I implemented a loop inside loop here. There can be multiple loops inside loop. Like it can be something, the structure could look something like for. I used a for loop. I used a for loop again. This is one loop, was one inner loop. I use a for loop again. This is my second inner loop, and I can continue to do so for any other loops. Also, I can do another pattern, that is for. I use one loop. Inside it, I build another loop, and inside this loop, I build another loop. Right? This get terminated. This. Right? So this is my main outer loop. This is that level. Let's say this is my first level, level 1. This is my level 2. This is my level 3, right? So this is a child of this is a child of this, okay, something like that. Okay, you can implement any up till any branch, right? Up till any branch. Okay, so this is the concept of nested loops. Let us write the code which we written above. Let us write the code in this code in the replit and see if the results come out to be same. Okay. Okay, so here is my replit. I will say for int I going from 0 I up till 10 I plus plus. This is the same code, right? Then for int j going from 0 j up till 10 j plus plus, right? What do I say? I say C out j, leave a space, and after this loop end C out I, and go to the next line. This is the whole code, right? The output should come which we discussed. Let us try to run it, and you can see the output is exactly same: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, repeating 9 times, and 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This last line 0 1 2 3, that is representing my ith value, and these all are my j's value, right? So I hope you were able to understand the concept of nested loops, and we'll meet in the next video. And the next video is going to be a long video because I'm teaching you patterns one shot, right? I taught you nested loops because I wanted to teach you patterns, and believe me, patterns is an interesting topic. And if you have any discrepancy related to patterns, don't worry, I am here to solve your problems. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.